Ebooks are among the best ways to establish yourself as an authority in any niche while generating passive income from your website. But to sell your expertise and make your ebook a success, you need the right digital marketing strategy. In this video, let's go over 7 ebook marketing tips you can actually use today. Number 1 is to ensure your ebook offers value. Your ebook marketing campaign will likely promise high quality content. As an expert, you need to deliver on that promise, otherwise you'll lose credibility and harm your marketing efforts. When planning your ebook, think about what you want to write and what your target audience finds most appealing. You should also consider how you'll present your ideas and lessons. Draw on your expertise to tell a compelling story that sticks in readers' minds. It's also important to present your ebook with an eye-catching cover to help it capture attention. You can use a graphic design tool like Canva to create an ebook cover or work with a designer to realize your concepts. If your design skills aren't strong enough, we suggest looking for a designer to help you get the best finished product. Number 2 is to set up an effective conversion funnel. Once your ebook draft is complete, you'll need a way to host, deliver, and sell your ebook. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use your existing business website. That way you have complete control over the entire campaign. You can create a conversion funnel on your website designed to promote your ebook, attract visitors to your sales page, convert them to leads, and convince them to buy your book. Here's an example of how your conversion funnel might look. Number 1 would be to generate traffic, and this can be done using a giveaway on social media promoting your book. Number 2 would be to send traffic to a landing page. You could do this with the giveaway landing page on your own website. Number 3 would be to convert visitors to leads, so a giveaway action to join your newsletter. And number 4 would be to nurture leads to fans, and you can do this with email marketing campaigns. Lastly, you want to get your fans to buy your book, and you can use this with ebook sales pages or online stores. The easiest way to handle the first 3 stages of your ebook marketing funnel is to run an online contest. And if you have a WordPress website, RafflePress is the best tool for the job. RafflePress lets you create any giveaway contest in WordPress with its drag and drop builder. Besides helping you run viral giveaway contests, RafflePress comes with a built-in giveaway landing page. They let you link to your giveaway from marketing messages to boost entries and engagement while keeping everything organized on your business website. You can also use RafflePress to run a pre-launch campaign. And that brings us to number 3, which is to plan a pre-launch campaign. A pre-launch campaign is an effective way to build excitement during your ebook's creation. You can share sneak peeks of your ebook and snippets from chapters and share pre-launch discounts for people buying your book in advance. You can set up a pre-launch campaign using RafflePress's pre-launch giveaway template. After launching it, the giveaway widget automatically includes entry actions to promote your product or service, or in your case, your ebook. The default template actions include join an email newsletter, visit us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and watch a video. However, you can change these and add other platforms that better suit your needs, such as TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more. We recommend using the viral refer a friend action because it uses word-of-mouth marketing to spread awareness of your campaign and boost your lead generation efforts. Number 4 is to build an ebook sales page. An effective way to sell your target audience on the value of your ebook is to build a dedicated sales landing page. You can use your landing page to tell potential customers what they'll learn and explain the benefits they'll take away from reading your ebook. Don't forget to perform keyword research and optimize your landing page for search engines. That way you can attract targeted organic traffic from users actively looking for your type of book. Creating a landing page in WordPress for your ebook is easy with a page builder plugin like SeedProd. It includes a visual drag and drop page builder, letting you build high converting pages without ever writing a line of code. You can easily add all the features you need, such as call to action buttons, opt-in forms, social media profiles, image galleries, and more. It lets you connect directly with your email marketing service to collect contact details from leads. SeedProd also supports WooCommerce integration for e-commerce websites. That means you can sell copies of your ebook from your landing page quickly and easily. Number 5 is to market your ebook on social media. Around 58.4% of the world's population currently uses social media, making it an effective way to spread the word about your new ebook. To harness its power effectively, you need to learn which platforms your target audience uses the most. You can do that by looking at your social media and website analytics, which will tell you your visitors' age, location, language, and other demographics. It's also possible to look at Google Analytics to see which platforms people come to your site from. Once you know where your audience is, you can create social media marketing campaigns to promote your ebook. Paid social media ads are an excellent way to do that. For example, Facebook ads include detailed targeting options that help you reach the right audiences. You can also run paid ads on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and many other leading social networks. Besides helping you drill down your targeting, paid ads provide detailed insights and metrics that can help you improve your campaign's performance. As a pro tip, you can use social media ads to attract and direct traffic to your ebook landing page and improve conversion rates. Number 6 is to tell your email newsletter subscribers. Email should be a super important part of your ebook marketing strategy. Not only can you use email to promote your ebook, but it can also nurture new leads through your conversion funnel. For example, you can send users an automated email sequence educating them about your future ebook after signing up via your giveaway. Once the email marketing campaign is complete, your contacts should feel confident enough to buy your book and become paying customers. You can also send an email marketing campaign to your existing subscribers and customers. They may not know about your new book, so an email reminder is a great way to engage their interest and turn them into repeat customers. Try offering a discount code or coupon to incentivize your email list to convert. Number 7 is to repurpose your ebook content. Ebook promotion doesn't stop after the first wave of campaigns. You need to regularly market your book to see recurring leads and sales, which is where content repurposing comes in. Content repurposing means taking one piece of content and turning it into other media types. You can take one piece of content and turn it into a blog post, guest post, a video, lead magnet, infographic, or more. These different formats are ideal for sharing across multiple social media channels to raise your ebook awareness. Now that you know about 7 ebook marketing tips you can actually use today, maybe you would like to check out this video on how to create a killer contest landing page in 2022 to help take your contest to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.